Is it going to rain or not? I hope it rains. Please rain! Rain! Come here, rain! Say hi guys muna.
Hi guys!
Ganun ka, hi guys.
Hi guys!
Rar! O dali, say rar mo na. Dito, para kita ka niya.
Wow!
Hi guys! Hi guys! Makulit po si Bonjeng. Hey, what did the stove? The stove? There's no fire now. The stove. When June like that, June 15 like that, I need to buy a stove, a gas stove. My gas stove it's broken. That's why I don't like to cook inside because it's hot inside and my there's two, how can I put it in English? There's two paano ba yun? Never mind. I don't know what to translate in English. But my stove here, it's like that. You see there's still a smoke. Just put the like that. And the fire will begin on itself. This one is a little bit cloudy, so I hope it's rain. Because I really need the rain. So, ayun! Dito ko lang. We need coffee to start our day. Ooh. So hot. I'm sweating so much, like so much. I'm gonna cut. Huh? Mamaya. Okay, let's see. So Mr. Man wants something there. Umupo ka lang dyan. Ito nga. Akin naman yung cellphone ni Mami. Okay na. You want some, Daddy? You want some?